a 4-head pneumatic 2-changer. Machine table is 1.3 by 5 meters. With the cylinder table. This is a 4-head pneumatic. And the west spindle is not installed yet. And with the dust collector frame. This is the zero and the limit switch. The back side of the machine is installed with an oil pump. This is auto oil pump. And this is the motor of the dragger. It's a servo motor. One drag 4 head.